In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Starling Business customer support through phone, chat, and email. Reaching out to your bank's customer support can sometimes be a daunting task, but I'm here to simplify the process step by step so you can get the help you need quickly and efficiently. Let's start by heading over to Starling Bank's website. If you're not sure where to find it, simply open up any web browser and type in u.starlingbank.com. Once you're on the home page, looking for the help section is the next step. Usually you'll see this as an option on the top or bottom of the page. Clicking on it will take you to a plethora of resources designed to assist you with any inquiries you may have. After entering the help section, you'll need to scroll down the page until you find the Contact Starling section. This part of the website is specifically dedicated to helping you get in touch with a representative. It should be fairly prominent, but if you're having difficulty finding it, take it slow and give the page a thorough glance. Once you've located it, you'll want to click on the contact page link within this section. This will direct you to where their various contact options are laid out in detail. Scrolling down once more, you will eventually see where they list both their contact number and an email address. Having these details handy means you can reach out via phone if you prefer speaking directly with someone, or send an email if you find written communication more convenient. It's often helpful to have your account information readily available when contacting support this way to facilitate quicker service. Now, for those who prefer live chat for immediate assistance, Starling also offers an in-app chat feature. To access this, simply log into their app on your device. Within the app, you'll find a guide on how to navigate to Talk to Starling. This direct communication channel is ideal for resolving issues while on the go or outside of traditional business hours. Hopefully, this structure of communication options provided by Starling Business is clear and easy for you to utilize. Whether it's a quick question or a more complex inquiry, knowing how to effectively reach customer support can save you time and give you peace of mind. And that concludes our guide on contacting Starling Business customer support. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Thanks for watching.